In this video, we're making the ultimate breakfast sandwich, made with potatoes, eggs, sausage, peppers, onions, and American cheese. To a small baking dish, pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, followed by some salt and pepper. Add the sausage to the dish and roll them in the oil. Then bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Next, in a frying pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and heat on medium-high heat. Add 5 cups, or about 6 to 8 potatoes that have been thinly sliced. Season with a generous amount of salt and pepper. And fry anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, stirring often so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. They're going to take some time to cook, so just be patient. The potatoes are done when they begin to brown and can be easily mashed with a spoon. Then, reduce the heat to low and let the pan cool down for about 1 minute. In a medium bowl, beat 6 eggs. Add the eggs to the potatoes. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, the eggs will start to take shape, forming curds up and around the sides of your pan. Using a spatula, flip the mixture over 4 to 5 times. Any more than this, and you'll have scrambled eggs. Remove from the pan once the eggs have wrapped around the potatoes, forming a homogeneous mixture. Cover with foil to keep it warm and set it off to the side. For the peppers and onions, pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil into a clean pan, followed by 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And heat over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add half of a thinly sliced green pepper, red pepper, and white onion. Cook the peppers and onions for 10 to 15 minutes or until softened. After 45 minutes in the oven, your sausage should be done. Now we build. To a large roll, add the potatoes and eggs mixture as the first layer. For the second layer, the peppers and onions. Take your cooked sausage, slice them in half lengthwise, and add to the sandwich as the third layer. Finally, the American cheese. You'll need 6 slices. Place into the oven to broil at 500 degrees for about 1 to 2 minutes. In the end, it should look something like this. Add some ketchup to the top half of the roll. Give it a quick slice. And there we have it, the ultimate breakfast sandwich.